In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Err SSL protocol error on Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome browsers using the easiest method. This common issue can disrupt your browsing experience by preventing you from accessing secure websites. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a straightforward process to resolve this error. So let's dive right in. First, we need to access the Run dialog box on your PC. Simply press the Windows key together with the R key. This handy shortcut quickly opens the Run dialog, a useful feature for accessing various system settings. Once you see the Run box, you'll want to type in the command inetcpl.cpl and hit OK. What this does is open the Internet Properties window where you can adjust a variety of settings related to your internet connection. Next, within the Internet Properties pop-up, navigate to the Content tab. This tab provides options dealing with certificates and other internet content related settings. Look for the button that says Clear SSL State and give it a click. Clearing the SSL state can help resolve any temporary issues with your SSL connections by removing any cached SSL certificates. You'll get a confirmation pop-up that says, the SSL cache was successfully cleared. Just click OK to move on. Now head over to the Advanced tab. This section is filled with many options controlling different advanced settings, but don't let it overwhelm you. Here, our goal is to ensure your system supports some older and newer encryption methods to maximize compatibility. Scroll through the list until you find the options for SSL and TLS. You should check the boxes next to Use SSL 3.0, Use TLS 1.0, and Use TLS 1.1. These options need to be checked to make sure your system can communicate with various websites, especially those using older or varied protocols. After you've checked those options, remember to click Apply at the bottom. This ensures all the changes you made are saved. With everything set, the easiest way to finalize and ensure all adjustments take effect is to restart your computer. A quick reboot helps your system integrate the new settings and clears any lingering issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Err SSL protocol error on both Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome browsers. Remember, these settings are about ensuring your browsing stays smooth and secure, so if the problem persists, rechecking these options or consulting further help might be necessary. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.